YouTube, Statue75 here with my favorite product. It's Donruss Optic 2019-2020 Basketball Fast Break. This is box break number 2. So let's see how we do here. Got 5 cards per pack, 18 packs per box. I think I'm going to keep the 3rd box closed permanently and see how that does over time. This product, I don't know, it's just so on fire. I just kind of want to keep some of it. Some of it for the kids, I guess, when they're older, and it's really worth a fortune, hopefully. That'll be a nice little investment type present for them to open, have years from now. I mean, my parents didn't know anything about this stuff, and if they had done this back in '75, or when I was a little toddler, it'd be amazing. And I see a little, right off the bat, we got a purple, but it's a veteran, Mitchell Robinson. I think they're numbered to 195, 55 and 95. Bam Adebayo, Clint Capella. Got a fast break prism. Hopefully it's, oh boy. Oh my God, the rookies. Yes. Too bad it's the insert, not the regular, because if it was the regular, it would mean we'd get a jar as well. Because with these fast breaks, you get the jar right behind the Zion. It's pretty amazing. But hey, I will take that to the bank. That's beautiful. Got a Zion insert, the rookies. That's worth something too. It's probably like a $400 card, hopefully. Got another one. Imagine if it was Ja Morant, the rookies, that'd be awesome, but no, not so lucky. Hey, I'm not complaining. I ripped a Zion out of this box, a Zion fast break. That's awesome. Quindary Weatherspoon. I have the best luck with this product. I'm not tooting my own horn either. I'm just saying I get so lucky with fast break for some reason. I wish I could be this lucky with other products. It'd be amazing. And I love how you still get the silvers too, or the hollows, whatever you want to call it. Cat, Karl Anthony Towns. At least it's a decent veteran. And the Tremont Waters rookie, rated rookie. Looks like a black, but it's not. It's the stargazing. Paul George, PG-13, not bad. Rated rookie of Darius Garland, too, not bad. Jaylen Brown, got a Celtic. Another fast break. I love the fast break. You get some. Oh, Kobe White. Uh-oh. Ah, wrong Pelican. Imagine if we got both Zion fast breaks in here. Wow, that would have been one to, like, record for a record book. I saw that Pelicans logo. I got a little nervous. Thought maybe it might have happened, but nope. And that's all right. No complaints. I can never complain with fast break. Got a red. Another wrong Pelican. Oh boy, another Pelican. Pelican veteran, but Lonzo Ball. Hey, Lonzo Ball red. That's not bad. He feeds Zion left and right. What's that, number 2? Upside down. 85, 67 of 85. All right. Cam Johnson. Dominators Elite, De'Aaron Fox. Lonzo Ball regular. Wesley Matthews. Almost at the halfway point. This will make us the halfway point right here. Kyrie cover boy. Tyler Harrow. Take that Rainmakers. I love how you have the hobby inserts in here. Mo Bamba. Oh boy. Is that our auto? That's our auto. Isaiah Thomas. Last box, I forgot to do the auto. I waited till last. I will not forget to do this auto. I promise, guys. I'll put that down there. I won't forget to go back. Stay tuned till the end. Make it worth your while. It's going to be a good auto. I have a feeling. Bowl. Menu Bull's son. Ben Simmons, the league dominators. And green. DeMar DeRozan, Carson Edwards. Nice fast break rated rookie right there of Kobe White. Hey, I'll take that all day. Not bad. Good pack mojo here. Got a red or a pink or something. Nickeil Alexander-Walker, the wrong Pelican again. And we got Jordan Clarkson, red to 85. And we got a Mitchell Robinson regular, Montrezl Harrell. Blake Griffin, Isaiah Roby, Stargazing Cover Boy, Kyrie Irving, Ish Smith, Kevin Porter Jr., rated rookie, Rainmakers Ray Allen, Gordon Dragic, Lou Williams, Jeff Teague, Admiral Schofield, rated rookie. The rookie's R.J. Barrett. I don't have that yet either. Pretty good. Not bad. Oh, what a box. Love you. I love you, Fastbreak. It's the one time I really am happy with Panini is when I'm opening Fastbreak of any product, whether it be Prism or Optic. Always do so good on this. Reggie Jackson, Cabinele, in honor of 502 Frank. Let's see, Ben Simmons, fast break, not bad. Chris Middleton, D'Angelo Russell. And last pack mojo, and then we'll get to that auto, I promise. Not like the last time, I won't forget. Last time the auto wasn't anyone big. It was a rookie, it was Nasir Little. Cam Reddish, rated rookie. All-Stars Damian Lillard. Jamal Murray, Malik Monk. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Just kidding. Let's go to that auto. Alright, so we have Isaiah Thomas. Should I just do a quick flip? Quick flip. ML Carr. So it's a Celtics legend, I guess. Wow. That's okay. That's cool. It's a fast break auto too of ML Carr. Not a bad box at all. I'm not disappointed. I'm very happy. Thank you for watching. please leave a thumbs up, like, and subscribe on this wonderful box. And if you do subscribe to join us for the ride, appreciate your support of the channel. And I do always give notifications because I do put up plenty of videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Hey, let's not forget the thing that we're going to give a thumbs up for. The Zion Fastbreak rookies. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.